Hello everyone, in this video we will be talking about some useful VS Code extensions for Laravel development. As we all know, VS Code is a text editor, it's not a IDE. That's why for better development experience we have to install some extensions on it. So let's open our VS Code. After that we will go here on extensions. VS Code has also shortcut for extension. You can see on the tooltip Ctrl plus Shift plus X, that will open your extension tab. Then from here we will search Laravel. You can see VS Code has ton of Laravel extensions. So we will be using this extension called Laravel extension pack. It comes with around 12 or plus extensions in it. If you just install this extension, that will install all the necessary extension for us. So let's install it. You can see here is a progress bar loading. That means our install has been started. So let's talk about some extensions that we just installed. First of all, I will uninstall some extension because we'll be not using every extension, so there is no meaning to just install them. For that, like I don't want this one, so I will click Ctrl plus left click from mouse. That gonna split this window, and you can see here is the uninstall button. Click here, close the window. Then let's see, I'll be not using this one also. Same, Ctrl plus left click, uninstall, and I'll also uninstall this. So okay, so it need reload the VS Code. I will do it later. So let's give you overview what we just installed. This is the .env. If you don't know what is .env is, we will talk it in future videos. No need to worry. It just highlight your .env file text. Here is a blade snippers. It highlight your blade syntax and everything. Here is a Laravel snippers. It helps. It provide you snippers and shortcuts for better development experience. Here is a artisan, Laravel artisan, that helps you to run your artisan codes on VS Code command palette. If you don't know what is command palette is, if you press Ctrl Shift P, you will see here is a palette. You can run commands from here. So you can see here is some Laravel commands also. We'll talk about them later. So here is Laravel go to view. You can access your view from route or controller. Here is Laravel extra intelligence. This is the intelligence for Laravel. Laravel blade formatter, that will format your blade codes. Laravel go to components, when we will learn it when we will work with blade components. And yeah, that's all. Let's reload our VS Code. Click here. So our VS Code has restarted, and we can see in the extension tab they all installed extensions. Now I will change my theme because this is the default theme of VS Code. You are free to choose any kind of theme. I will go with OnDark Pro. This one, you can see it has been downloaded over 6.3 million times. Select the theme, and the theme has been applied. Close this, and now we will go to our setting. You can select this gear icon from there, settings. Now we'll change our font size. Let's say I will go with 17, and here is important feature of VS Code, you can say autosave. I always highly recommend to set it to after delay, because sometimes we forgot to save our code, and that cause us lot of trouble. For prevent that issue, VS Code has this cool feature called autosave. If you set it after delay, when you stop typing, after some millisecond your code will be automatic save, so you don't have to tension about code saving. It will save you lots of time, trust me. Now let's open a file and see how our font size look. Let's go to Laravel, and if you remember, we have an index file in our root folder. Here it is. So let's open it with VS Code. Open. Okay, now you can see our font size is quite good. Now if you want to change your font, you can edit your font here. So I have a favorite font called Fira Code. I will download it. Click here, scroll down, click on this image. That will download the zip. Let's open it. Let's extract it here. Open it, and we will go in this folder TTF. Click here, select all, and install for all user. So the font has been installed. Go to your VS Code again, select the all fonts, remove, and we will type Fira Code. Make sure you write the font name same, otherwise it won't work. So let's close our VS Code and reopen it. So if we go to our index.php, so you can see our font has been changed. So this is it for this video, I guess. See you at the next one.